In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GTD Notion template. If you want a simple way to bring the getting things done method into your daily routine, a ready-made Notion template is a great place to start. It gives you the structure for capturing tasks, organizing projects, and reviewing your priorities without building everything from scratch. First, open the Notion website in your browser. This is where you'll access your workspace and the gallery of templates. Once you're on the site, you'll be able to browse and add templates directly into your workspace with just a couple of clicks. Next, click Marketplace. This is Notion's hub for templates. It's designed to help you quickly find layouts that match your workflow, whether you're managing personal tasks or coordinating work projects. In the search bar, enter GTD Dashboard. GTD stands for Getting Things Done, and searching this exact phrase pulls up templates designed to support that methodology. You'll typically see previews and descriptions. Look for a layout that includes an inbox for quick capture, projects to hold outcomes you're working toward, and next actions for the very next physical steps. Select the template that fits your needs. Open its page to review the features and confirm it has the components you want. When you're ready, click it and click Add. Adding the template copies it into your Notion workspace so it becomes fully editable. After it's added, you'll see the template in your sidebar, ready to open and use. Once added, feel free to customize everything. Start by renaming pages so they match your language, like inbox, projects, next actions, waiting for, and someday, maybe. Open the databases and tailor properties to your workflow. Many people include fields like priority, due date, energy, context, or area of responsibility. Create views that help you focus, such as a today view filtered by date, a this week view sorted by priority, or a waiting for view filtered by status. If the template includes relations between projects and next actions, make sure each project has at least one next action, so nothing stalls. Adjust filters to hide completed items and use icons and colors to make sections easy to scan. You can also set default templates for new tasks or projects, pre-filling checklists you use repeatedly. Finally, consider a simple weekly review view that surfaces stalled projects and overdue tasks, so your system stays clean and trustworthy. That's all you need to get your GTD Notion template set up, added, and customized to fit your personal system.